Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 16. Its title is A Delightful Day. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to complete reading and understanding and comprehension of this unit. And before this, I have taught you how to identify names and characters in a story. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, because after identification of characters, we are going to learn further to respond orally and in writing in a sentence their likes and dislikes about the story and character. So first we learned how to identify. Now we'll comment our likings and dislikings about the story and characters and comprehend simple stories and poems read aloud in class. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Mulk, verse 30, say, have you considered if your water was to become sunken into the earth, then who could bring you flowing water? Yes, my dear students, as I told you yesterday that this beautiful verse tells us the importance of water. So we should be thankful. We use water in many ways. So whenever we are using water, we should be careful not to waste water. All right. So yesterday we read a part of this story. I hope you read that at home again. So first I'm going to ask you a question before starting reading. You tell me, till this point we have read the text. So from this text you tell me, who was noticing Amina? So first answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you, because you have already studied this story, read this story, that's why you know who was noticing Amina? Miss Safia, their science teacher. All right. So Amina was telling to her teacher that my parents told me we should not waste water. What happened next? What Miss Safia said? Here we go. Miss Safia. Yes, Amina, you are right. We should use it carefully. We should use water carefully. Amina. Teacher, can you tell me how can we use water carefully? Now, what does it mean? You see, beta, this is the way. If there is something your teacher or your parents or any elder is telling you something and you are not clear with the concept, ask it. Ma'am, how can we say use water carefully? What does it mean? Now, teacher is going to tell. Miss Safia, of course, Amina, you should remember a few things when you use water. So how can we use water carefully? Here we go. Here is the list. Number 1, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Do not play with water. Now you see, beta, when you are brushing your teeth, you have put the toothpaste on brush. Now you are brushing, so you should turn off tap. There is no need of water, so turn off tap. All right, till the time you are brushing your teeth. Use only as much as you need. So whenever you are using water, use only as much as you need. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl. Means take a bowl or any of these container so that you need not to wash each and every fruit separately. So take water in that and rub the fruit individually and the fruit is good to eat. Okay. So this is how we can save water. Collect rainwater. This is another way you can use this rainwater as well. Take a quick shower. Means when you are taking a bath, take a quick shower. You should not waste water by just playing and letting the water flow. Okay? All right. Amina. Thank you, teacher. Now, teacher has told good things, so she is saying, thank you, teacher. I will remember it. Miss Safia, I know you will. You are a good girl. Right? You see, beta, teachers know you are a good girl or you are a good student. So that's it. Now, what we are going to do, then after conversation, they joined others for lunch. Amna was so happy when she came back home from her trip. She enjoyed with her friends and learnt important things. So beta, on trip we don't only enjoy, we learn many things. This is what this lesson is telling us. So now you tell to your teacher what important things did Amina learn from the teacher and where was the water tap. Beta, read the text again, answer these questions, pause the video, do this reading and answer these questions and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Now, I hope you have read the story thoroughly. I'm going to ask you few things through an activity. What we are going to do? Read the text again. Now you can read by yourself, okay? And express your likes and dislikes about the story and characters. So how many characters were there? Miss Safia and Amina. So what did you like about them? What did you do not like? Maybe if there is anything. And what did you like about story? For example, I like this story very much because it is an informative story to how, like it is telling us how we can save water, and there are many things. So what did you like? You have to express orally, tell to your teacher what did you like about the story and what did you like about the characters. So pause the video, complete this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you enjoyed the activity. All right, so it's time for your comprehension. So these are the questions from the text which we just read. First, you will answer these questions orally, then you will write the answers in your notebook and you will also complete this question 2 in your book. So pause the video, complete this comprehension and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will write 2 sentences, okay, about your likes and dislikes of the story or character. So anything you can write either about story or about characters. This is your homework and here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, beta, you will read this text and you will write the answers of these questions in this worksheet. This is how you will complete it. So what we have learned today, we learned to respond orally and in writing in a sentence about your likes and dislikes about the story and characters, and we learned to comprehend simple stories and poems read aloud in class. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.